Bogo tolo ha.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming. First of all, I want to thank my sponsor, my main sponsor, NPC and PST Betting, and also my personal sponsor, Elimo Production. So, then I also want to thank my sparring partner, my coaches, my manager, everyone in Namibia, and I'm happy to be also. And I'm ready for this fight. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for inviting us here. And I'm ready to go. I'm ready to take out these guys. I'm very more than ready to. I can't wait on Saturday. And thank you guys.
That's your trainer there? You want to say something about your fighter?
Yeah, of course. Thank you very much. It's an honor to be here. To get such opportunity to fight on such a big card. And this is a great boxer, former champion. Yeah, so this is the opportunity here boxers are looking for. And of course we feel welcoming. All the people welcome us very well. At the hotel, the matchmaker, Jojo, who have been with us. And of course we have also to thank for the WBO. Master Leon had been always be there for Namibia boxing. As you can see, we have been working with WBO since '98, and of course our first world champion was a WBO champion, and we introduced also other world champion in the WBO. So this is a good opportunity for us, and to show the world again that Namibia is ready for big things. And come Saturday night, you're gonna see this kid in action. Philippe Simitumwa is a special boxer. You will see what I mean by that come Saturday night. And of course, we just want the fight to be fair. And of course, we know Casameo, we've been following his fight. And I hope he's going to throw the right punches because he like to hit behind the head. And hopefully, he's not going to do that. And you know, that is, we're going to, of course, we're going to have a rule meeting and so on. You know, so let's make it clean and not leave out the dirty work. And of course, I hope the commission is going to do drug testing because we know some boxers from here, they're very dirty, and hopefully the commission is going to do the right thing and to enter this fight. I thank you.
Okay, that was interesting. Thank you. Okay, your opponent, the champion, the former champion, John Riel, we'd like to hear from his manager first, his brother.
Magandang tanghali po sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat po pala kami una-una sa sa promoter, at TV promotion, sa LRD, at saka sa mga media. Pasalamat kami sa lahat sa inyo at sa mga boxer na dadalo. Na yung laban na to, inanong talaga namin yung training ni Otto, pinaghahanda namin na sana maganda yung ipapakita ni Otto. Abang-abang talaga to kasi hindi biro yung pinagdaanan namin sa training. Basta magano lang kayo, pray lang tayo na walang mangyari na masama sa lahat ng mga boxer. At maraming salamat.
And now let's hear from the three-time, three-division world champion from the Philippines, John Riel Casimero.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. At excited na ba kayo sa paparating nating laban? So ako excited na rin. Bubot-ulo na naman to. Let's go! At maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumupunta at lalo na sa mga press at sa ating manager, Japanese, si Tisoy at si Mr. Leon Pisilio at si Sir Johnny Dordi. At sa lahat ng pumunta dito ngayon, maraming salamat. Nandito kayo, dumalo. At malapit na, 2 araw na lang. So bakbakan na talaga. Let's go!
Okay, before we open the floor up to questions, I can see all the photographers that get the itchy finger, they've got to get some pictures, so we're going to get you some pictures right now. All the boxers, just stand up, please, and give me a fighting pose like this, okay? Okay? Boxers lang.
Lang, i-elaborate mo naman para na natin gagawin yun.
Basta hindi ito tatakbo, pugutulo talaga ito. Mark my word.
Any direction is we are here, we don't understand. Can you please someone help us? Oh, you must also speak my language. You guys will understand my language, guys. Okay, can
No, we understand your English. Now he will interpret the Filipino. What? Can you repeat, John Riel, say again. What did you say? He will translate so he can hear. What did you say?
Gusto ko lang sa kanya, huwag siyang tumatakbo. Gusto ko mapakita sa buong mundo yung laban namin na maging aggressive siya sa laban para maganda yung laban. Kung sinong matutumba yun, bakbakan talaga. Kasi yun ang inabangan ng mga tao, yung bakbakan. Kasi pag tatakbo-takbo, yung mga fans natin, yung mga manunood, matutulog lang. Kaya siya ako na matulog hanggang araw pa.
I don't want you to run during the match. And then I want to show the world that this is going to be an aggressive match. So,
don't run.
If you run away, it's going to be a good match. So, I will fall asleep if you keep running away.
Okay, thanks, Casemiro. Let's see that again.
So you're not going to run, right? You're not going to run? You want to answer?
Okay, Saturday, I hope you'll be there also and watch boxing.
We will. Just ask. Okay, next question.
Hindi niya sinagot. Hindi
Hello,
niya yes or no.
good morning. Gerard Arce from Abante and Bulgar Sports. John Riel, tanong ko lang, ano difference ng preparation mo with the past fights kumpara dito kay
Yung training ko, pag nasa training talaga ko, hard work talaga. Yung mga trainer ko nga, lahat sila umayaw na sa mix sa akin. So, kaya pasabi ko, hindi naman talaga ako sobrang lakas. Pero sila, yung mga trainer ko nasasaktan talaga. So, hindi ko alam kung totoo ba nasasaktan sila. Pero nakikita ko talaga na umayaw talaga sila. So, yun.
Yun. Second question, ano ba sa tingin mo yung, kasi sabi mo kayo na, pupunta mo yung ulo to, tataluhin mo. Sa tingin mo, ano yung nakikita mo?
Hindi ko muna sasabihin kasi malaman niya na kung paano siya mamunod. Surprise na.
Isang suntok, antok.
Question, please.
This question goes to Filipos. By the way, I'm Erwin from Sportsman and Boxing Content Creator here in the Philippines. So, you know that you will be fighting a tough opponent. We all know Janel Casimero is a 3-division world champion. Now, my question is, what do you think is the strongest punch that Janel Casimero that I think that you should avoid?
Who told you that Casemiro is tough? I'm also asking you, who told you that the guy is tough?
He's a 3-division world champion.
You say that the guy was he's not the champion anymore. He was the champion, the guy is not the champion anymore. So what happened?
But did he lose?
What went wrong?
Did he lose?
That's why every must be clear on these guys. So
He didn't lose?
everyone must be fair and the game must be. We must continue fighting. It's not like he did pass with last fight, even the last fight. What happened to his last fight? And when he also fight legal dogs, what happened? So it must be official, must be mature. He's big enough to be mature.
Ngayon, pwede ka pa magyabang, kaya magyabang ka ngayon. Sa laban natin, hindi ka na pwede magyabang.
You can brag off now, but then in the match you can't brag off.
Okay, I think we have the last question then.
Yeah, my name is Pao, Pao Sulan from Paucas.
Nick Tungwa and the former three-time world champion from the Philippines, Jagriel Casimero.
Angas ah. Angas ng Pinas. No job. Closer. Wow. Nakbo. Wow. Bogot ulo ha. No way, no way, no way. No way, no way.
The weigh-in tomorrow, 11 a.m. at the O'Connor Manila Ballroom. The fight begins 11 a.m. on Saturday, live on PTV4, live throughout Japan.